Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, it's a bright morning over here. So as you can see, guys, I'm telling you, this is another huge progress for making bricks. So it reminds me at my neighbor over there. So he was working there and made for me some 10,000 bricks. And also over here, guys, you can see, for those people who are new here, maybe you don't know the bricks, it's just one that we talk about. This one here, look, wow, we have a lot of them here. And maybe some kids that they are playing inside here. Crazy, incredible story from this side. And guys, today I'm just coming live and clear from this beautiful village. As you can see, man, that's cassava. There is a time when I was around here, one of our mom uprooting like 10 cassavas give to me, and I take to my mom. Wow. So today it's a happy morning, and I thank God, man. Wow, this is a borehole here. Look, this is how we create the borehole, by using trees and nails. Imagine. So, and all stuff. Wow, technically I want to give you a brief tour to my friend and to learn something which is very unique. Man, I'm telling you, this brick says it's around 6,000 inside here, and for me, I'm trying to make 10,000 plus for my mom dream house. But for now, for this of our neighbor here, it's around 6,000, you know. And the size which he made, it's the same size to mine, which my neighbor make for me. Look, like length and width, you know. So maybe it could be 9" by 6", I think so. Wow. So you see this goat is grazing here, making noise. Meh! Look. Meh! 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 Well, guys, maybe they need some kids right now. That's how they make noise, like goat matata. We call goat. Wow, but goat matata is a female one, is a male one, I mean. Wow. Wow, guys, technically our village is super green, and today I give you a special quick tour to my friend, and you want to experience what is going on, man. I'm telling you. But my baby is just over there, guys. If you remember, I was coming here maybe those back days. But right now, you can see they have already fenced, maybe to avoid intruder going inside. Look, I'm telling you, serious. This is the maize corn over here, and it's doing good and well, fantastic. Wow. You see from the far end, that's my baby. And today, one-on-one, we want to have a special discussion, yeah, in terms of construction and building. I'm telling you, look how this flower is doing good. And this tree, guys, right now it's tree. Wow. This is my baby here, and I wanna say big shout out to Monkey. Thank you, Amiron, bro, by keep buying for me this motorbike, and I wanna say thank you so much. May God bless you. Even right now from my home up to here, it's a long distance, But when I have the motorbike, man, let me tell you, within a few minutes I'm around here. And that is it. So today I will give you a quick tour from this house, and I want to know how much it costs to build a house like this in our village. We leo kwenda job. And that is it. You know, so I want to know in the comment section, guys, what did you think about today's videos? But for me, are very, very special, guys. And today, oh, the sun is coming like this way, but it's okay. And man, look at this. They try to remind me, man. I'm telling you, they try to remind me. You know, this house, they were being built like 1 month up to the rent and everything. You wanna say thank you so much by keep supporting us in other way, and all means of by watching videos, guys. Thank you so much. And inside here, when this house was being constructed, people have been chilling here, maybe cooking here. You can see 3 stones, 1, 2, 3. It remind me at home there. My mom used stones like this preparing food, man. So this is the real life in our village here. I'm telling you, you know, nothing changed here. But the reason why we make village life style videos, maybe people are watching these videos and they want to experience the nature, the culture, you know, the beauty of our village, you know. So, you know, most of our village here nowadays, maybe people come with modern technique or modern technology. They use maybe gas, but back here people have been used stones and firewood. So that being said, firewood is a source of renewable resources. So it's easy to maintain and it's easy, you can maybe afford when you compare than gas. But 70% of the people use firewood, 30% use maybe gas cooker, gas and electrical maybe cooker, things like that. Wow. But at home there, man, we use firewood. Anyway, to the point, I will give you, I'm waiting the owner to finish what he's doing, and I want to give you everything, man. Look, this is a plumbing section. Look, wow, looking at even at this, look. So I want to tell you something, maybe in case in terms of construction I'm new, but when I went to build my mom's dream house, when we done the foundation and all stuff, I'm telling you, the first thing that I do before I raise up the house is to do plumbing. You can see we done plumbing and all stuff, you know, like this. When you done plumbing and then you set the bricks here, you can see this, maybe things the way they are here. Wow. Oh, guys, don't worry, I'll take you inside. Give me some few minutes, I'll take you inside. And there's a septic tank here. Imagine around here, a septic tank. Well, guys, you see, look. Oh, wow. This is for the bathroom, this one for the toilet, and maybe this one when you wash your face and all stuff, or hands, the water coming out. This for maybe washing face or your hands. This is for the bathroom, this is for the toilet. Man, look, wow. And it's running going that way. to the septic tank around here. So guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned, more amazing reviews coming. I'm going to meet with the owner of this house, but right now I can't mention. You will know at the end of this video, guys. Woo! Veska.
I am a cameraman. Yeah.
African Jeremy.
African Jeremy.
Amugotonga.
Takata chichi sukuma.
Yenda amoreme. Maina gante miris.
Ah.
Para koropu kai. Turakora? No koropu kai. Yenda tema.
Yeah. Jeremy is holding camera for Hello Baby.
Hello Baby.
Yeah. Na kama Instagram. Insunto.
Not avoid small.
Ushamaliza Hello Baby.
Oh.
Irene, what's your experience here coming and at this environment?
Wait, I'm just loving the breeze. Nakwambia, you may think there's an ocean around.
Guys, I finished Gotonga. You know Gotonga is to put.
Take other kids there.
Where?
There from that.
There's a lot of kids there. Let me hold your camera.
I'm tired for now. Hey.
And the lab
Wow.
Steven Joel is from his home.
Akiamugi kamba hivyo naona GoPro 12.
Did you introduce?
Ikawa naona GoPro 12.
It's also a YouTuber.
Kuja nayo.
Kirenga yego.
75.
Tige sekere. Hanongora 13 ne heno mukungu.
Nimekuja ya promotion.
Eh? Promotion gani?
Promotion.
Yeah.
13. Nimekuja kwa promotion. Next time tukienda itakuwa 8.
Hakuna.
Ha?
Hakuna. Siri kujikiwa juu saisi ukipata 50 unanunua ya 56. Sai hanara hike bono. Natonya. So guys, the owner of this house is just over here.
Glory to God.
Glory to God.
Amen.
Yes guys, first you thank God.
Yeah. Thank you, Rian.
Thank you. Imagine guys, she's my grandma.
I'm Hello
At
Baby's
this age?
grandma.
Okay.
Yeah, the reason I'm Hello Baby's grandma, your dad's brother has married my niece.
Yes.
Sindio?
Yes.
So my niece is your auntie. Kabisa. Vamoke. It's like your mom.
Yes.
Your Sindio? So if my niece is your mom, I'm your grandma.
Yes, sure. Yes.
Hi guys, what's up everybody? How are you all doing? My good name is Priska Sagati. I'm privileged to be here. Thank you, Hello Baby, for always supporting. Thank you for visiting me at the time that I need you most. That's to go and bring timber. Yeah, so I really appreciate your love, kindness, and support.
And for me, I want to give me a quick tour for now.
For now,
But
maybe we should go and come back, right?
Okay.
Or we can do it very quickly.
Yes,
Yeah,
let's do random. And then you go. I don't want to maybe confuse myself.
Okay. You've seen the front porch?
Hey, hey. The God, he was the one who know.
What is on? Yes.
Yara tatu hambaro songor ma kana kimi
Yes.
sikki. Ohe. Ka tutuno nge gasi.
Astunenda wawili utahire bongo temkia bankota.
Open here. Na mabyoge sisi ya kunyunka hivi.
Ayo. So guys, welcome. Welcome, Hello Baby. It's been long since you came to visit us here. This is the pantry or kitchen store. After
Pantry.
the pantry. Yeah, this is the back porch.
Yes, this one over
Veranda
here.
ya nyuma. Yeah, the back veranda. So this is the kitchen area. And I'm planning to put a double sink. Actually, I did a mistake to do a single sink, but I'm going to do it double.
You can demolish this one here.
No, just here, and add some space there. I'm going to do a double sink. This is the kitchen counter. This is the kitchen island where I'll be cutting vegetables,
Chopping,
chopping, and even testing from here. Sometimes I can say, let me sit here and enjoy life. So that's the living room.
Hey,
Yeah, the
Whoa.
living room and the dining area.
even you sleep inside here.
That's for my babies. When I come with them, they sit there. They
Oh,
cannot sit
it's
down.
a small.
They have chairs. You see?
Yes.
I have chairs. Very nice chairs.
Traditional one.
Two.
Ulinunua wapi?
Nakuru. I already have chairs.
I do
So
like
the dining
this.
area will be here. Dining area will be here. So welcome to the bedroom.
Hey,
Yeah.
and it have some door.
We have
Look,
a
guys. To close like.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey,
This place here, I don't like wasting places. This will be a library.
library
I'll put books here.
for your babies.
For me, my babies, and even visitors. Novels, books,
Bible.
Bibles, and everything. Magazine, motivational items, documents. So,
Storybook.
storybook.
Hey.
So this is my bedroom. Yeah, this is my bedroom. I don't know, my bed will face here or
No.
there. North.
Your bed will face this way
No. Head face
or face this way.
this way.
Maybe when you squeeze this one and then you want to see the baby's coming from there.
Yeah.
Eh.
Yeah, I think that way. Then the study area will be here. My table and working space.
And laptop
And
maybe.
my television here or there, I don't know.
No, here, because when you place your bed here, automatically your television will be here.
Be there. So,
Watching yourself and watching maybe Hello Baby sometime.
Amen, yeah. So this is the
Dressing area.
dressing, not
Where you can maybe store your clothes.
walk-in closet.
Yes.
It's called a walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet. Then this is the bathroom actually. You can shower here even 5 people.
Hey, this is a toilet.
Toilet, bathroom here.
And this one?
This is for bathroom.
Sini choo. Na hii sini choo.
Ya maji.
Oh, yenye naenda chini.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is a shower.
This is a shower. I
Yeah.
have this shower and a shower here.
Hot and cold. Wow.
Wow.
Hey.
This is for the solar. This is for the electricity.
Softer life ever.
God is amazing.
God is amazing.
So this side here, it's the corridor leading to the bedrooms. This is my daughter's bedroom. For the girls, it's a very big one,
Yes.
and their toilet is here. So
Wow.
the toilet initially was there, but we will change the toilet to here.
Why?
The bathroom should be there. I'll try to minimize. I'll change, just like that. I don't know, but I'll change.
Nobody. Sicho ikatu pale. Si bafu tu ni kuoga maji yanasukuma kwenda huko.
Si ndio?
Acha tu hicho ikae pale.
Kai pale.
Juu hapo utaweka mlango. I'm telling Priska
Slide
here
down
will
there.
fix door.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
And matofali ni mangapi alienda hapa kwa hiyo?
11,000.
11,000.
Yeah.
And for me I want to build for 10,000.
It's a big house also.
3 bedroom. I don't like big one.
It's a
Small
big-
one.
yeah.
For
Even
my
me-
mom.
Even me, this I'm planning to turn it into a 3 bedroom. This will be an office.
For
My office.
well, maybe you are private issue. Maybe
Even
you
my
go-
babies. Well, I will have an office. So I'm thinking to put this as an office
Yes.
and a bedroom.
Good idea.
Good idea, right? Yeah, I need an office, and I thought this will be an office. And also, we will put a door here, an emergency door.
For at the back.
For going, no, in case this will not be open, in case one day maybe you never know, emergency, in case of anything happening there,
You run.
run here. This
Good idea. Put.
emergency door. So I'm thinking this should be an office, a study area, or a TV room.
No.
Yani, I can do it as an
If your
office.
babies will be studied on this office, silent, no TV inside here. Yes,
Yeah, when they come doing their homework and
Yes.
everything is here.
inside here.
Yeah. So this is the common toilet. The bathroom is there. Then the toilet is here. Then this is the boy Bedroom, boys' bedroom.
Your boy. Don't like toilet.
It doesn't like toilets. Yeah.
Yes, you are well organized.
And
your
I like
house.
the big windows for the lighting. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see you have big machine.
Thank you, hello baby.
Latest.
GoPro 13.
You're the first one in our village to have GoPro 13.
First one in the village and very few in Kenya. It's God's glory. When life throws you this, God can give you this. So
And
I
maybe,
glorify God.
how can
Even
you
I've
say
not-
maybe for those people installing GoPro 12 for you?
What I can say, it's don't do that again to someone else, because the pain I went through, it's because I had good friends like Paris. She gave me her phone to be vlogging with and using. I didn't see that gap, but the pain I went through was a bad one.
Only God knows.
Only God knows.
Anyway, guys, we are going to Border Town and maybe
Yeah.
keep it low. I'm
Keep
on the
it low.
process of making bricks.
Wow,
Right now,
congratulations.
I've already made around 4,000.
You know, I'm planning to visit you. I've never visited
You come.
Yeah.
The gate is open, you come. Me 24 hours, I open my gate.
Wow. That's good. That's generous.
Hey, guys, we are heading to Border Town.
Yeah. And we are with this beautiful people.
Nigu mwenza sasi.
Hi, family. I'm Kodairiso Ita. Thank you for watching my brother's YouTube. Support him. Hi, we're heading to Border Town.
Yaani mama sijasikia hata jina lako jamani.
Kwani umenisahau?
Introduce. If I have maybe a new member on these videos, they want
Okay.
to know you.
My name's Irene Soita. Check me on my YouTube channel and subscribe kindly. Thank you.
Oh, guys. We are heading to Border Town right now. With my baby. And over here.
Hello guys. Thank you. Hello baby too.
Mungu mmoja hapa. Kijana soft like.
Hello guys, I'm African Jeremy. Go and search African Jeremy in my video. Content creator. Subscribe, share the link, guys. Wow. Thank you, hello baby, to welcome me in your channel. I appreciate.
And we have it's a pineapple nini?
Just test.
Siwezi najua ni ya kina msimu huko.
Yeah, can test.
No. Yapo hapana. Oh guys, so stay tuned. We're heading to the mason in Border Town to measure the timber for this roofing. And guys, I want to learn something new from Priska Sagati. Well guys, so we are in Border Town and actually we're heading to buy some timbers over there. I and Priska Sagati right now. Well, let me show you. You see even this tuk-tuk. I came to sell this timber here. Look. Woo! This is my baby over here. And you want to come with us, man, I'm telling you. Savocado, that? Asante that. Wow, I want to check the timber here. Where ni fundi that? Kabati mwana tengana shingapi? Kabati. Akini size hizi mbao. Sikindo. Yeah, nataka tu ndogo, sitaki kubwa. Fundi. Waisonkore kabati. Si kurekodi. Meka huko. Au nataka nikurekodi? Ndio nitengeneze kabati na shinga.
Size gani?
Ndogo tu.
Mpaka picha yake una picha yake.
Labda ni Google nikulete.
And Patricia JK,
thank you so much.
we have been with her for a very long time.
You remember?
Yeah, Patricia JK.
We used to do live.
So guys, the timber that we want to buy here. And for the roofing, they needed this one here. Wow, I'm telling you. Even me when I was making the door for my toilet, I came to buy the timber inside here. I'm telling you, huge. Oh guys, so I want to take you inside here at this furniture we called Njo's Areas Enterprises. And guys, to be honest, for now maybe I need to have TV. I need to have the cupboard, maybe to store like cup, maybe glass, juice for my visitor. Guys, if you pay at my visitor at home there, at least there's no need maybe going to my mom perusing some cup. At least to have the glass, jug, you know. So let me show the things that I need inside here. Woo! It's a TV stand, guys, I'm telling you. Yeah. Oh. You see this one here, but for me I'm preferring this here. It's go up to that way, and it's nice. Oh, okay. See guys, maybe here we place maybe cups, glass, and anything. Here we put some flowers for decoration. Oh, so it goes to 200 USD, almost there, because it's 20,000 Kenyan money. I'm telling you guys. Whoa. Look, even at down here. Hey. And how many doors? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 doors, guys. I'm telling you. And they have another one here. Hii ni kubwa mwangi.
Zote ni size moja.
Lakini ile ndo nzuri. Hii.
Hiyo kala ya nyuma.
Hii. Si kala venye mmeitengeneza. Mnafungulia wapi bana? Ama yeye ifungulie?
Hiyo
unafinya huko. Push.
Hiyo ni fanya tu.
Sasa unajua mimi nilikuwa nafikiriaje? Na sukuma kwenda huko. I swear hivi. Wow guys. Ni kama ina spark. Eh. Oh guys. $20. I have a cupboard like this in my house, guys. I'm telling you. Venye mmeifunika. Mwezi sogeza. Sogeza hii basi waone hii.
Sogeza hapo.
Oh guys, I want to show you this one. Kazuri yake ya Mungu. Hey. Mbona unacheka bwana? Wow. So we're gonna have this one here. Guys, I'm telling you, $20, $200 to have this one. In Kenyan money, it's around 20,000. Tena wengi una check. You see, guys, and maybe here I will place some flowers inside here, and also here. Wow. Oh guys, so we need to pack this timber here and on this counter here, guys. I'm telling you. So we just over here, guys. We waiting this car, and my baby just over here. Wow. So it's coming reverse. Anyway, guys, so this is border town. So it's coming this way, and then pick this timber from here. Wow. Anyway, guys, show your son some love. I'm just over here to sleep. Hey, subscribe to my channel, guys. Lord to 6K subscribers. I really appreciate it for the love and support, guys. Wow. So this is a canter. Will be amazing one. And it's an old version car, I'm telling you, but it exists. Maybe when you done service and all stuff, the vehicle they exist. Easy up. Uteka mwenye umalizi. Uteka mwenye umalizi. So guys, I'm telling him, did you maybe manage to put all timber inside? Aye. I'm telling that guy with a motorbike, we shall meet. So it's time to overloading, and I mean offloading is to take the timber from the car outside, but going inside, offloading. Anyway guys, we shall meet on the next videos while I'm heading home right there and then going up the other side. I'm telling you, whenever you have a bookshop. Oh. Alright guys, so it's time to finish the timber for roofing, putting on that cant, and then finally they wanna put that for fisher board. And the reason why being here, I want to learn something new. Maybe if I want to build maybe my mom dream house next year, at least I have a little bit experience in terms of maybe construction, buying timber, you know, like right there you can see people are overloading the timbers right here. Let's see over here, and it's full of timber, guys. What amazing job. Wow. It's full, so it's time to go back to our village. And this is border town, and we have most famous hospital here, the public one called Nyamaharaga. In other we called Nyai. So it's time to go. I'm telling you that. Wow. Well guys, so finally we delivered the timber here, and actually for me, I ran with my motorbike over there. So the guy for the cant or Rory used a long way, and then we tried to look for him with timber, and then we say what, maybe they wanna stolen our timber, but we tried to find him, and then they use maybe shortcuts to avoid maybe taxation and maybe police case. But for now, I think we are on the process. Ooh. Wow, they're making bricks over there. Oh. Wow guys, I'm telling you. So we are going to meet that car, and then I'll show you how the way they overloading. So I left Prisk over there. He was the owner of that timber, and you know all stuff. Look, it's an incredible story. Other maize are small, other big. Man, hope that car is coming. You see from there, that's the car. You heard? That is the car, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So for now, let me wait that vehicle here. Wow. You see? This is the road that is coming. They use long way method. We go around border town finding him, but it's okay. Yes. Yes. Wow. Huko. na kiatu da.
Achana na kiatu. I've really hustled. I've really come out. But I did God on the Jeremy,
Wow. Guys. We have
Well guys, so it's time to take out the timbers, and that's the vehicle. We are still coming. Hey Mary, you could have. Yes, I'm telling that guy the vehicle must be coming this way. Wow. Woo. Guys, thank you so much. By keep supporting Priska Sagati, I mean, and also I myself. Yes. So we don't want maybe the canter this vehicle to be stuck here. We must take these timbers up to that way so they can give us easy maybe taking the timber inside the house. Ambia ende mbele arudi nyuma. Sasa wakati ule mngenyoka tu kabisa hivi. Yes guys. Wow. That is another big or a huge progress, and for me I learned something new from Priska Sagati. Anyway guys, we shall see whether it can come. Alright guys, it's so hot outside. It's so hot, and I feel like, you know what, let me chill inside here because outside it's somehow hot, you know. Wow. Okay, it's stuck over there guys. Oh guys. Well guys, so finally I'm back at home after all journey when I visited maybe Priska Sagati there. So right now I'm just back home, and guys, I want to share with you the story about at home here. It's maybe since I left in the morning, man, even I didn't take lunch. I'm telling you, I want to see what my beloved mom cooked here. You know, right now it's evening time. Hey. Guys, no fire here, so use this chin like this Guys, I'm using this. Wow. So this is the fire here. And I have my mom here doing some cleanness. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, he was making cleanness at my puppies. You know, guys, I changed my puppy to sleep inside here. Yeah. So guys, this is my puppy here. Hey, Mama, don't go get it, you know. My mom love me. My mom love me a lot. Guys, this dog is growing big. Look. Wow, guys. And also tomorrow I want my plumber to become and work on this tap because maji amefika hapa Murakati yako somewhere hapa kwa mstari sasa inafaa jaja tengeneza unasikia penye yako
Ni penye maji ina
uhure. Guys, my mom wash some. Hey, Mama say
hello.
Guys, that's my mom. You know I miss my mom since morning, guys. But right now I'm back home. Amayumba muifungie. Terage tage mabere. Ochino ncho muhure. Rabu chukua power bank huko. Yes. Guys, I'm telling you. Only okubu. And so that being said, by tomorrow morning I will have my plumber here to work on this tap because right now we have maybe a half of the water inside there, so it doesn't brought the water here. So I want to work. They must work here by tomorrow. Maybe there's some errors down here. Say hello. Hello. Yes, that is my sister. Anyway, guys, it's an evening vibe, and we want to say thank you so much, guys. At my back, this is our smoke kitchen here. Wow. Let me see how this cow are doing. This is our firewood. This is how maybe we fetch firewood, we cut and then we dry them here. Wow. So I want to check this cow here. They're doing good since they'll be given maybe new baby. Wow. So let me take you. I want to see the progress of making bricks right now. I'm heading to. No problem, no one will take my motorbike. Let's go. Wow. And that's the sweet potatoes vein over there. Woo. Oh guys, so I'm rushing with time and I want to see the progress for today. Maybe my neighbor, he will maybe make some steps. Wow. Yeah. Around the corner, Jesus coming. Guys, everything that I do, it's God prayers, God plans. You know? Wow. Let's go. Let's go. That's how my evening looks like in my village. And some few minutes it's gonna start raining. Wow. Wow, wow. nafika hapa chini nikuje. Tambu sikara mama. Hayukuya. Tanga mboro songoro ndahetenko. So I want to take some key from my mom because she wants to lock the gate and then we come back. Hi waika. Hebono ndakunyori ho. Yes, guys, I'm taking the key. And guys, I have my brother here. Maybe he can introduce himself. What's up?
Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. My name is Gaki, guys. If you're first watching this and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscription button and just tell us what do you think about this amazing video. So we are coming live and clear from this amazing place that is Hello Baby's official village. And what's the plan?
My plan was I'm going to check my neighbor who make for me.
You can come this side.
My neighbor who make for me some bricks.
Yeah.
So I want to go and check the progress and see how it's moving on.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah. I think we're over here.
Yeah, that's supposed to be aware. Yeah, it's good. Like it's good that because for now I know your plan is you gather some material and then you start booming up your mom's project.
Yeah, start booming.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah, slowly, but
How was Nairobi?
it was like,
The reaction as a village boy went for the first time.
yeah, Nairobi is awesome. We do some exploration and finally I'm back again at the village. I think now, like for that, I went with a purpose. So for actually soon I'm going to go back.
Officially.
Maybe like you can just try to get yourself good, you know?
Yes, to
Yeah.
experience maybe in the city.
Like we go experience because at that place where I was, like maybe let me just say what made me to go to Nairobi was
Sorry.
not content, but for next guys.
Content.
Content. So between guys, keep watching the video.
I came.
Yeah,
Buyore. Buyande mo. I can say no.
so actually for next, now I'm just going now to Nairobi, like even a week.
And then came back. And then you plan maybe going to Mombasa.
Yeah, like that. You know you must.
Wow. So we're heading down and I can see guys alongside you have the car for their car. Whew, you know the reason why being my neighbor make for me some bricks at home there we didn't have a lot of maybe borehole, things like that, but for him he have the borehole here.
Okay.
He make my bricks and then he take care of them.
Yeah.
So at least we try maybe to increase the price for the making of bricks. Yeah, even I see them.
Great.
Maybe there's some breakage of the bricks returning back.
Yeah, how many bricks are you gonna
Make it. I want for 10,000. So that for 10,000, not all will be maybe burnt.
Yeah.
Somehow maybe burnt, somehow not yet. So at least maybe when I get around maybe 8,000 could be safe.
Yeah, for me, I'm planning to build my mom a 3-bedroom house, whereby for
Hidden
now
roof.
it's a hidden roof. For now we have 4,000 bricks,
Robi shida nkimo.
4,000 bricks, and
Etana shida kwani ngare katere hiyo.
let us check first.
Yes, there's some maybe problem here. Usema nje kakagera eh. Kanda akore tere shina mbiri wankubone haraka na masini. Kwande rondo. Kwana na yange atike.
Ngara nkumireka
Lewa ngonso he ni zimbe. Kenga.
fonsu yeki
Kano gare hambi.
kwantenga kusanyire mbega bihamwe nyuri space
Oh, waruhire gara ga hemu. Aga he sana.
eri ngari gahi
So Mr. Gake, this was my project, maybe small project, and I think maybe by the end of this month, I'll pay him maybe half of the money, and then maybe the middle of December, and then I'll finish him. Yes. Yes, we have another one inside here. We have like 4,000 right now. So we try to make, imagine this is a staircase local. So just over here.
Yeah.
And for making for me 10,000 and he can add me 1,000.
Yeah.
And then I pay him $400.
Yeah.
Yes.
So everything is slowly by slowly.
Slowly by slowly, and then I think I could look for the money to derive.
And then you go now, you burn
At
your
home there,
stuff.
because when they start building, they can give me easy time. Wow.
So guys, if you're watching this, can you watch till the end, subscribe, and just tell us what's your thought about this amazing video. My name is Gake. Go check me there. I have amazing channel, amazing content to share with you guys.
We've got 5%. Wow. And here, it's what my brother's making this. That's what they make. That's in each other.
Icho.
Ewe chire nikuvaike Mungu.
No, anichimbire ambe honde.
Ndakumbuza nakuletera maseni, ndakukora matani. Aida nkuletera 25 mwezi wa 10 sio 11 gono.
Atasara sini mbencho chira.
Kepere chira atoke. Umwe ndina utike cha atoke ruveni. Ndakweze hatu 25. December kateka tetara hikango soki.
Sure.
Sure.
Waronge kungi.
I know you're serious.
Guys.
I'm telling my neighbor here the reality.
Project yake aliniambia
Yes, it's $400 for making for me 10,000. You know $400 how much in Kenyan shillings? 40,000.
Yantamani.
Yeah?
Vizuri sana.
Anifanyia vizuri. Sasa mimi yakikauka vizuri yani hayavunjiki. Kazi yangu ni kuleta tu kama ni pick up ama tukutuku mbili. Na yeye ndo atakuwa anapanga pale nyumbani.
Kwanza nimempigia udongo mwingine smart sana.
Na nuri rakapanga teronde. Unaona pangeka kwa shauri yako. Unaona kapanga. Karuhano.
Sasa mbona mengine nimepanga mara ngapi kama ya jangu.
Eno yo serious, utere 22 23. Wanyama sentinkyo.
Sawa.
Usenkuhirendu usinkogahe.
Tutora Equity hapa.
Mimi sito Equity na tona kesi.
Ari hos.
Ngarusi.
Wala chicho kekuro kwa machine.
Nenda sino tero bimukiange ochio.
Ndachitika kimuhara. Ndacha na mera.
Anyway guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. Abana till let me end my video here guys. Bye.